Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm excited to share my latest hand embroidery project, featuring a beautiful geometric pattern on linen fabric using anchor-stranded cotton threads. Instead of a detailed tutorial, I'll be sharing some valuable embroidery tips and general information to help elevate your own projects. For this project, I used anchor-stranded cotton threads in colours 0376 and 0381. Working with all 6 strands to create a bold, textured appearance that stands out on the linen fabric. Start with good quality tools and materials. Invest in quality threads, needles, and fabric. Good tools can make a significant difference in your embroidery experience and the final outcome of your work. For this project, I used both embroidery needles and tapestry needles. The right needle size will glide through your fabric smoothly, preventing unnecessary strain on your hands and the fabric. Use guidelines. Wisely, precision is key, especially with intricate designs. I recommend using a heat erasable pen for marking guidelines, as it offers the flexibility to make adjustments and leaves no residue after pressing with an iron. Always test your pen on a scrap piece of fabric to ensure it erases cleanly. Manage your thread. When using multiple strands, separate them and then recombine before threading your needle. This helps the threads lay flat and reduces tangling. To avoid knots while stitching, consider using a loop start method when working with even numbers of strands. Hooping tips. A good hooping technique is essential. Ensure your fabric is taut but not overly stretched, as too much tension can distort your stitches and the fabric. Adjust your hoop frequently as you work to keep the area you're stitching tight and comfortable to work with. Practice consistent tension. Consistent thread. Tension is crucial to achieving even stitches. Try to pull your thread gently but firmly through the fabric, being careful not to yank too hard, which can cause puckering. Finishing touches. To secure your work without messy knots, weave your thread ends into the backs of existing stitches. This creates a clean and professional finish, which is especially important if your embroidery will be visible from both sides, like in certain home decor items. Experiment and have fun. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different stitches, colours and textures. Embroidery is a wonderful way to express your creativity, so enjoy the process and let your imagination guide you. These general tips will help improve your embroidery skills, making your projects look neat, professional and beautifully executed. If you found these tips useful and enjoy the content I'm sharing, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. I love sharing new projects, tips and techniques to help you on your embroidery journey. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. I hope these tips inspire you to try new techniques and take your embroidery to the next level. If you have any questions, suggestions, or tips of your own, please leave a comment below. Keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy embroidering!